Hi, this is Tristan from DynaGen Technologies. I'm going to demonstrate how to install the RP100 RelayPak onto the Tough Series controller. Before moving forward, I should point out that the RP100 is made of a glass reinforced nylon that, while flexible enough to be installed on the controller, is brittle enough that the tabs will break off on any attempt to remove it from the controller. To install the controller, you're going to want to place it between the two panel mounting chimneys so that it's centered as much as you can. You're going to want to have it oriented so that the white Molex connector on top of the RelayPak is on the opposite side from the orange USB connector. With it oriented this way, you're going to want to apply pressure on one side of the RelayPak until you hear a snap. At this point, you're going to apply pressure on the opposite side of the RelayPak until you hear that snap down as well. After snapping the RelayPak in place, you're going to want to look down the side of the controller to verify that there is no space between the RelayPak tabs and the side of the controller. If there is visible space between these points, then you're going to want to apply downward and an inward force until you hear a second snap, ensuring that it's fully snapped in place. If it's not fully snapped in place, the vibration of the engine will cause the RelayPak to become detached.